To detect if the dice roll produced a 3 of a kind string, you will need to create an if statement. Okay. To check if the current count is greater than or equal to 3. So the current count will be actually is the variable count. So to check if the current count is greater, how do you do that? It's greater or equal to 3 and oh, there's an end. And the current highest count, so the highest count, which is this one, and what? So we have an if statement that check if the current count is greater or equal to 3 and greater and greater and what? How do you do that? And greater. Oh, okay. So let's perhaps um let's do the count again and greater than. There it is. Is it? Or no? Yeah, that will suffice. If so, assign count to the highest count variable. You can assign that with the equal sign, and I hope we are right. We're not. So your if statement should have the condition of count greater or or greater or equal to 3 and highest count. Oh, yeah, I was right. So I should have declared the count again. Whoa, what the? You should assign count to your highest count variable inside your if. Oh, so it's actually opposite. We are assigning count to the highest count variable. So if we read this one, we are assigning highest count to the count variable, whereas the instruction says we should assign count to the highest count. So it should be like this. It should be the opposite. So this essentially reads as we assign the variable count to the variable highest count. Nice.